Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Lake Havasu local and long-distance movers near me. Are you getting ready to relocate to a new workplace, condominium, house, or apartment in Lake Havasu, Arizona? You certainly need the assistance of a reputable moving company, don't you? If our assessment is correct, 3 Movers is the firm to contact. We are Lake Havasu's most affordable and professional moving company for both local and long-distance removals. We are punctual, friendly, and prepared to help you in rapidly settling in. We're the best alternative for anybody wanting to relocate since our moving packages are dependable and inexpensive. We give you a top-quality moving experience that you will not find at any other moving business for the reasonable price and attitude toward work. The majority of our clientele own fragile things. These things often need the deftest handling. As a result, we engage only qualified movers who are patient and conscientious when treating client property throughout the moving process. Be ready to address various problems if you want to relocate to an office or apartment more than 50 miles away from where you now reside. A long-distance migration might be intrastate, which occurs within the same state, or interstate, over state lines. It will only grow worse if you do it on your own or use a shady moving company. We are here to help you arrange and execute your interstate or intrastate long-distance relocations. We have an excellent working relationship with municipal, state, and federal agencies responsible for supervising long-distance movements. One of our precautionary measures includes purchasing insurance to cover any damages or losses that may arise during the relocation process. When it comes to moving your business or family, we only use the industry's most experienced drivers and movers. Because we offer low-cost moving services, we will not overcharge you for our services. Despite our low prices, we would never provide substandard services. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.